Alright guys, so quite a few people doing leftover stash videos. Okay. Alright, we're ready now. Alright, so leftover stash videos. I don't know you guys seen all this in my other videos, but so all these totes, they're from 2018. It's all leftover stuff. So it's not really for this video, but yeah, they're all full. Well, this tote is old, leftover. That's from like 2011 and stuff, but yeah. So these totes really aren't for this video, but and then the Excaliburs I had from last year, and then I had 3 Black Widow and 1 Neon Widow. This year I only got two more boxes of Black Widow and 1 more Neon Widow, and these are all double stacked, so there's 2 on each. But I'm gonna jump up here quick. Get up here one-handed. Okay. And then these boxes, these are from 2018 too. And then the rockets and the sparklers from 2018. But, okay. So we'll start here. So we got 4 Night Gallery, 3 Thunderation, and there's, I think the Thunderation and the Night Gallery each got 4 shells out of one of the boxes, so almost full boxes. So we got the Zeus shells. I forgot to demo those on my 4s. The Lock and Load, I think I did 2 or 3 of those. Growlers. These are pretty good shells. They're way better than the Excalibur. And they're cheap too. You know, they're only like 10-15 bucks more than Excaliburs. So these are the Kong shells. There's 2 out of there. So there's 22 left in that. There's 22 left in this one too. Neon Widows. I think this one's full. Black Widow, there's a sleeve out of one of them. Get turned around here. Okay. There's a full box of the Willows. And there's 3 left in that one. Oh my god. These exterminators were from last year too, so those don't really count. So the death shells, we got 4 full boxes, and there's 11 out of that top box, so there's 13 in there. These I got this year. I didn't do any of them, but they were saying that they don't make these anymore. They're double break shells. I watched the demo on them, and they don't break like the double shells. Like, it looks like each ball shoots up individually. I don't know how, but yeah, they looked pretty cool. And supposedly they're not made no more, so figured I'd check them out. And let me get down here. Be right back. Alright. So we got some of those left. Some of those left. And like I said in my other video, if somebody can tell me I can't find no demos of these. I didn't open those. Yeah, the rockets can't really do here. Well, I can do them. I'm scared to do them, because I don't want to start a fire. We got those left. These ones. X Factors. And 2 packs of these super candles. Some other stuff in here. We got all these boombox left. Those are good. Okay, I think there's 3 left in that box. Those ones aren't as good as these other ones in here. We get 2 boxes of the zombie blasters left. We got 4 boxes of the American Chief. I think there's 2 out of the one. But, let's see here. A good price on those too. These, the double troubles, holy fook. Those are good. There's 4 left in that one. Those are a double break. One's color and one's not. Got 6 of these left. If you see these, pick them up. These ones have more of a titanium flash than those. And those would be 50 for 12. These were 40 for 12. But yeah, 6 left in there, 3 in here. Let's move this tote. This. Got some candles, some crazy aces, but Power Predator. I saved this bag. This is from a TNT tent up here in Vancouver. Sensible Sam. They give you instructions on how to do fireworks. I thought it was pretty funny, so I kept that. And we got a pack of the double headers. A big parachute candle. I think that's what it is. Yeah, parachute. I bought these, I think on the 4th at the TNT tent where I got the bag. These are only $3 for my son got some too, and they're actually not too bad. I mean, for $3, you can't expect much, but they ain't bad. A couple of them broke pretty big, but my son did, so I got 2 boxes. I didn't do any. Got 2 boxes of these regular festival balls. 2 packs of ground blooms. There's 2 of these Tempt Fates by Brothers. I think they're 20 shot, 500 gram. Those are pretty good. Got the Boomer Bang, 55 shot, 500 gram. That one's not bad either. Got one of those left, 2 of these. These Bite Your Tushies. Got 4 of those left. These aren't a bad cake. They're 500 gram, I think. 24 shot. Yep, 24. They last like 45 seconds to a minute. Some Sonic Jacks, a couple packs of those. There's more of the other Bite Your Tushies. And some Magnum Blasters, Power Predator. Pack of those. Let's see. This is the good tote here. We got a shitload of the lightning rods left. I ain't gonna take all these out of here. But so the ground pounders. There's 6 boxes of those. I only used like 2 packs out of the 1 box, but yeah, we got a shit ton of the lightning rods. We have 5 packs of Catherine's catapults. Somebody was saying these are like the Sammy's best, but if they're anything like I think they are, these probably only have like 1 gram. And these have like 3.5. And then these are like a titanium flash. So yeah, we got 5 packs of the Catherine's catapults. My radio's going crazy. Okay. We got a shit ton of those. We got a box of Bad Bombs by Showtime. 5 packs of these mines. I think there's 2 of the Canon brand and 3 of the Pyro Predator. Got packs of these Bad Boy crackers. I think that's pretty much it in here. Yep, I think that's it. Okay, I bought like 25 packs of these lightning rods. Those things are pretty good. So yeah, that's all that's in that. We have 4 of the Wicked Willows, but big left. A whole box of Zips. Yeah. 10, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 10, yeah, 10 of these zillionaires left. These are pretty cool. They're like a mine, and then they break. They're alright. This is, I don't know what all the hell is in here. It's Mighty Mines. I meant to do some of these on the 4th, but I didn't. Oh, this is like some novelty stuff and cakes. I think I got 10 packs of these exploding mosquitoes. These were only $2 a pack, so I got 10 packs of them, 6 in each pack. Shit ton of punks. They're giving those out for free. They're the good ones too, the nice and thick ones. Let's see, some 48 shot color pearls. These were 49 cents when I bought them. There's a tent up here in Vancouver selling them for $4.99. It's crazy. Here's some wheels. These are all just cakes. Bunch of them. There's a bump bear. Evil clown. I'm gonna take all these out. Here's a robot rage. Pure fantasy. This battle. This is a cool little 200 gram. This one was $2.50, but the other ones I got were $1.75. This X Factor. Some magic whips. Let's see, some of these crappy firecrackers. But yeah, there's a whole bunch of cakes in there. And a brick of the roller coasters. More cakes under there. Just a bunch of stuff. some hammer crackers, magic whip with bomb. Let's see, what's this? Oh, these are the exploding Bin Laden noggins. Pretty cool little fountain. These things are, I think they were $3 or whatever. I got them. But yeah, and some parachutes. They shot in the dark. They're pretty cool. They're little single shot tubes you stick in the ground. They have a little spike on them. They're pretty cool. Okay. Alright. Pause you for a second so I can get to that other tote. Okay. This is all firecrackers and other crackers. So I got 2 packs, 200 strips of these just to save. A bunch of these massive blasts. These are all reproduction bricks, firecrackers. These got a bunch of them. Yeah, I just got these to hang on to. But yeah, I got a bunch of them. Some Blockbuster. Some more hammer crackers. These are more hammer crackers. Let's see, this is just all firecrackers. These are all lady fingers. I got 6 bricks. Yeah, 6 bricks, lady fingers. Some beast crackers. And there's 2 bricks. Lucky 8s. This is a big roll. And I got 20 boxes of these hammer crackers. 15 of those sidewinders. And 15 of the safe crackers too. I got 10 packs of these black cat ladyfingers. I haven't seen those in a while. That's why I got them. And 4 packs of these. These are just reproduction roller coaster crackers. Same with that brick. I just thought it'd be cool to get them. But yeah, we got a full box of those left. And there's about half a box of those. Those are good. More massive blast. There's cracker bomb. Some more half bricks of the beast crackers. We got 2 full packs of these. 9 left in there. Those are good too. But yeah, that's about it in there. It's a big stash, I know. Let me know what you think.